What is Pocket Option? Pocket Option is a trading platform that allows users to trade a variety of financial instruments, including binary options, forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and commodities. It is known for its user-friendly interface, extensive educational resources, and a wide range of trading tools. Is Pocket Option a legitimate trading platform? Yes, Pocket Option is a legitimate trading platform. It is regulated by the International Financial Market Relations Regulation Center, IFMRC, which ensures that the platform adheres to certain standards of transparency and security. How do I sign up for a Pocket Option account? Signing up for a Pocket Option account is simple. Visit the Pocket Option website, click on the Sign Up button, and fill in the required information such as your email address and password. You can also sign up using your Facebook or Google account. After registration, you will need to verify your email and complete your profile to start trading. What types of accounts does Pocket Option offer? Pocket Option offers several types of accounts, including demo accounts, standard accounts, and VIP accounts. The demo account is free and allows you to practice trading with virtual funds. The standard account is suitable for most traders, while the VIP account offers additional benefits like higher payouts and exclusive promotions for traders who deposit larger amounts. What is the minimum deposit required to start trading on Pocket Option? The minimum deposit required to start trading on Pocket Option is $10. This low entry point makes it accessible for beginners to start trading without a significant initial investment. What financial instruments can I trade on Pocket Option? Pocket Option offers a wide range of financial instruments, including binary options, forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and commodities. This diversity allows traders to choose from various assets based on their trading preferences and market analysis. How can I deposit and withdraw funds on Pocket Option? Pocket Option supports multiple payment methods for deposits and withdrawals, including credit, debit cards, bank transfers, e-wallets like Skrill and Neteller, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Deposits are usually processed instantly, while withdrawals may take up to a few business days depending on the method used. Does Pocket Option offer any bonuses or promotions? Yes, Pocket Option often provides bonuses and promotions to its users. New users can receive a deposit bonus, and there are regular trading contests and cashback offers. Always check the promotions page on their website for the latest offers and conditions. Is there a mobile app for Pocket Option? Yes, Pocket Option offers a mobile app available for both iOS and Android devices. The app provides all the features of the web platform, allowing you to trade on the go, monitor your positions, and access market analysis tools. What educational resources does Pocket Option provide? Pocket Option offers a variety of educational resources, including video tutorials, webinars, an extensive knowledge base, and a demo account for practice trading. These resources are designed to help both beginners and experienced traders improve their skills and understanding of the markets. How can I contact Pocket Option customer support? Pocket Option provides customer support through multiple channels, including live chat, email, and phone. You can contact their support team 24/7 for assistance with any issues or questions you may have regarding the platform. What are the risks associated with trading on Pocket Option? Trading on Pocket Option, like all trading activities, carries inherent risks. The value of financial instruments can fluctuate, and you may lose some or all of your investment. It is important to understand these risks, use risk management strategies, and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. How can I get bonus codes, best Pocket Option bonus and promo codes, 50% deposit bonus up to $5,000 plus 10% cashback? Want to increase your earnings from the start? Use the promo code WELCOME50 during registration to get a 50% bonus on your first deposit of $50 or more. Turn $100 into $150, $500 into $750, and earn up to an additional $5,000. Don't miss this opportunity to start trading with a plus 50% bonus. It's a fantastic way to earn more from day one. For new users, Pocket Option offers one promo code for new users, 50START. This code, found on their website, gives a 50% bonus on the first deposit and is only available for users who have never deposited before. Want to boost your earnings from the start? Use the promo code 50START during registration to get a 50% bonus on your first deposit of $50 or more. Turn $100 into $150, $500 into $750, and earn up to an additional $5,000. Don't miss this chance to start trading with a plus 50% bonus. It's a great way to earn more from day one. Get the best bonus codes in the video description below and start earning with trading today.